Hey, welcome to Cooking with Chef Puff. All right, today what we're going to be doing, actually, we're going to be doing barbecue smoked whole chicken. Okay, I have a surprise, but I'm not going to reveal it yet until the chicken has marinated and we're ready to cook it. So, y'all guys stay with me and let's get this chicken prepared. All right, I didn't wash this whole chicken now, so we're gonna trim it up and clean it up a little bit more, okay? But what I want to do, I want to remove, see where that neck is at? I want to remove this backbone, all right, and the tail end. So get yourself a good pair of scissors, and you just cut right down the back. It's a little bit hard, but you can cut through it. Had a little trouble there. Come from this side here. There we go. And now we're just gonna cut the other side off. All right. Now, you can use this for chicken stock to make your own broth, but I'm not using it. All right. Now, I'm just going to crack her open. I need a sharp knife for this here. Here. Get a little slice there. Just get her open there. And there is a bone right in here that I'm going to take out. All right. Takes a little work, but I'm going to get it out of there. This is where y'all see that when y'all have chicken, you got the redness. This is where it's coming from, right here. So get it removed. Just get it removed and you'll be just fine. And if you see this bone right here, this gristle, I'm also going to remove that too, because I don't want it. Can't eat it. All right. So we got this side out here. Now I'm going to work on this side here to get it out. And then I'll get this part out of here. Remove it. And voila. You don't have to do this part if you don't want to, but I chose to. All right, that's all breast meat right there. All right. So now, I'm definitely gonna get rid of some of this fat here that I don't want. It's too much. All right. Just clean it up. This fat right here. It's like it. Now, if you flip it over, you can see what you got here. All right. See what you got, and you just clean it up. All right. That's all you gotta do. A little feather there. All right. And she looks pretty good. pretty good. All right, so I'm gonna finish cleaning the insides out here. Get these little giblets things out here, and I'll be right back. Okay, what I did, I took the liberty, and I am using the seasoning. I'm using Lowry seasoning salt. All right. I'm also gonna hit it right now with some paprika to give it a nice, good dark red color when it's on the smoker. All right. But I'm gonna let this marinate overnight. I also did the underside too, generously. All right. So I'm gonna let this soak in. So right now I have to find my paprika. All right. If y'all guys give me a second. And I found my paprika. Okay. So, what I'm going to do now, I'm going to hit it with the paprika. And this is going to give it a beautiful color. Yes, indeed. All right, so what I'm going to do now, I'm going to put this in the refrigerator overnight and let all this magic happen right here. And I will see y'all guys tomorrow. All right, it's been 24 hours and this whole chicken has been marinating in its spices. So let's take a look at it. Oh yeah, oh yeah. Okay, this looks very beautiful. It's very promising. All right, I did say I had a surprise, and I'm so happy to show this. I saw it, and I just, wow, that's something else. All right, so let me get set up. Remember, we're smoking this. All right, you got the hint? Smoking the whole chicken. Okay, so without further ado, give me a second. Let me set it up, and I'll be right back. Ta-da! This is the Blackstone 22-inch XL combo grill. All right. I'm going to give you a closer look at it, but this thing is dynamite. All right, but let's get this chicken on, okay? And I'll explain to you about this Blackstone beauty. All right. All right, so we got the chicken over here. Bring it up here. Okay, so now what we're going to do, I see a feather here. So what we're going to do now, I'm going to put some oil down on these grates. All right, go down to my cabinet here, get me some oil, get me some paper towel. All right, she's been preheating for about a while now. All right, let's get the oil here and just wipe. All right. All right, that's all it takes to wipe it down. Now I'm going to take this whole chicken and I'm going to put it right in here. All right. All that juice drip off. The legs. And here we go. Here we go. Meat side down, skin side up. All right. So let me get this off here. I don't need these no more. And we're going to shut it down. All right. So this thing is out of this world. You have the 22-inch over here. All right. But I'm going to give you a close view on this here in a second. So y'all guys stay tuned. Be right back. All right. Let's not forget about the baked potatoes. So with the baked potatoes, what I'm going to do, very simple. Just punch a couple holes. You ain't got to go crazy with the holes. All right. And then some oil. I'm using some regular cooking oil. All right. Rub it all on it. All right. I got about 5 to deal with. I'm going to hit it with some coarse salt. All right. And then just place it in the air fryer. All right. I'm going to do the other 4. And y'all guys, I'll be right back. All right. This is the last potato right here. The last one. So I'm putting it into the second fryer here. I got 3 in this one, and I got 2 in this one. All right. So I'm gonna let these go ahead and cook, and when these are done, I'll be right back. The chicken, the whole chicken is done now. Um, it had reached the internal temperature of 165 degrees. So let's take a look at it. Oh yeah, skin is nice and crunchy. Yes, very nice. Very, very nice. All right. All right, so I'm gonna get this chicken out of this smoker, and y'all guys stay tuned because I'm gonna be right back with these good eats. All right, I let the whole chicken rest for about 10 minutes. I tinted it, but here's the baked potatoes that I cooked in that air fryer outside in the Blackstone. So, if you can hear that, very nice. Very nice. So, what I'm going to do now, very simple. Okay. And we got the leg here. We'll remove it from the joint. And we'll keep the thigh. Very hot. There we go. And I'll do the other one. Yes, indeed. All right. You know, I think a serrated knife would be better. Would be better. Ah, she's really juicy. Yeah. All right. Very, very juicy, but just so damn hot. There we go. All right. We got that. Got that piece there. Got 2 legs, 2 thighs. All right. Now I'm going to remove the wings. All right. Just got to remove it from the joint. And there goes the wing. All right. Same thing. Remove it from the joint. And there's the wing there. All right, now we're going to come right down the middle. Right down the middle. Let's look at this here. Good, nice and juicy. Oh, boy. Oh, boy. Whoop. Nice and juicy. I can actually remove the bones out of here. Remove the bones. All right. Just very hot. Okay, let me get a little taste here. I like it. I like it a lot. That flavor from the smoke competition blend, but they have all different types of pellets, but it's delicious. All right. So, if you're interested in the Blackstone griddle, this type, it's the smoker combo. You cannot regret it, but this is very delicious. This is very delicious. All right, so this is really good. Very flavorful, very juicy, as you can see. All right, it's just delicious. All right, I got juice running everywhere. All right, without further ado, subscribe, ring that bell, tell your friends and family. Trying to reach 1,000 subscribers here, so I can continue making these delicious, delicious meals. All right, so once again, y'all guys have a good evening, and I will see you guys on the next video.